Minsan na-invite ako sa isang podcast. Ang pangalan ng podcast ay The Cool Pals. And then nag-top 3 yung episode namin sa Spotify. People were talking about yung podcast because we were talking about the electric fans, the big electric fans. Research na lang yung brand. Pero aside from that, nagpiano ako ng Huwag Kang Mangamba, which is a composition of Father Maliling Francisco. So imagine that I was playing a religious song in a very secular podcast. And then people were messaging me, sabi nila, Sir Romar, napaka-okay nung ginawa niyong podcast, pero hindi namin nakalain na sa isang secular na podcast, natawa kami ng tawa. Bigla akong I find myself crying because nararamdaman kong niyayakap ako ni Jesus habang tumutugtog ka nung Huwag Kang Mangamba. So I think isa sa malalim na moments ko yan na even if nagpapatawa tayo, may you can still find God in laughter. So yun yung isa sa mga nakatataba sa puso na experience ko as a content creator.